Welcome to our playlist on Challenge SAT questions. Practice and get success in SAT. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Since last 15 years, we have been providing you absolutely free quality services, uploading a video almost daily. Now, with more than 17,000 videos, they are being watched over 80 countries. In this playlist, we'll discuss some very important questions which will give you practice for SAT. Now, the idea here is to do at least three questions of each type. So, I have actually categorized, after reviewing the SAT test papers, what are the major sets which you should be practicing with. So, one of the topic is circle and tangent. Now, in circle and tangent, these are the questions which you get almost at the end after question number 20. Now, these are very difficult questions. Let us see how do we answer them with strategies. So, we'll take up two questions in this particular video. However, explore the playlist for more on this topic of circle and tangent. The question here is, which of the following equation represent a circle that intersects x-axis at exactly one point? It means it is tangent to the x-axis. Clear? So if you have a circle, let me just sketch one here, right? So if you have a circle, tangent to x-axis means something like this. Now, how can a circle be tangent to the x-axis? So the basic is very clear. The center should be r distance away, right? So that it is tangent to the axis. Now we are given the equation of circle in standard form, right? So generally, the equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. It means that the coordinates of the center C will be hk, right? And the radius is r square. So in the given equation, you can write down the coordinates, right? What are you looking for? You are looking for the radius in each of these is, you can see, square root of 36, which is 6, right? So this value should be 6 for the circle to be tangent. You get the idea, right? Clearly, the y value should be 6, means we are looking for k equals to 6. Is the concept clear? So, k is 6 means we are looking for only this factor where k is 6, means y minus 6. That is it. And therefore, option B is the right option. Do you see? Did we try to solve the equation? Not at all. We are only trying to use the concepts and answer the questions. Does it make sense to you? That is what we teach. Well, in case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Success, that is what you get when you learn tips from us and you have a very strong foundation. Now, I hope you got the concept. The next question is only to test whether you have got the concept or not. Very similar question, right? Can you please read and answer this question? It says, which of the following equation represents a circle that intersects y-axis at exactly one point, right? Similar, instead of x-axis, now we are going to talk about y-axis, tangent to y-axis, right? So sketch and visualize. The whole idea of sketching here is to make you visualize what are we getting into, right? So that is what it is. So y-axis vertical, we want it to be tangent. That means this is my radius r, and the radius is what? Is the x value, right? Now think like this. It could be a situation where the y-axis is on your right hand side. You get the idea. Even then it is tangent, right? Perfect. Even then it is tangent. So now first figure out what is the radius. We know radius is square root of 64, which is equal to 8. So what are you looking for? We are looking for x minus 8 whole square in the equation, right? X value should be 8, or even x plus 8 whole square can work for us, right? In that case, we are on this side. We are 8 units away along the x-axis from the y-axis since our radius is 8. Does make sense? Now you can look into all the options and so easy to figure out the answer. You can literally read it, right? Visualize and get it within few seconds. It doesn't even take a minute. And most students do not get this question right. You see that? So, most important to understand is that our circle could be on the left side or on the right side. And in the first case, it could be above the x axis, it could be below the x axis. So, that is how you have to visualize and understand a concept to be sure that if a question is asked on circle and tangent with this kind of an equation, how do we provide the solution? Okay. So I hope that makes sense. Feel free to write a comment, share your views, and don't forget to check more videos. And on any topic, you need to check at least 3 videos to master it. Makes sense, right? Okay, great. Thank you and all the best.